Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dechku Blessing. If you're seeing me for the first time, and yeah, if you're a returning subscriber, you are the very best. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you for tuning in. I love you guys so much. So, guys, in today's video, we're going to install this hair right here for you guys. We'll install this hair with just the glue spray, and the glue spray we're going to use for today is the butterfly um shadow. This is it. Just this. That's what we're going to use to install this. So the equipment we'll be needing is this fly spray, as I've said, a rattle comb, or anything that has this kind of tiny something that you use and press in your lace. Then a fan, or your normal hand fan. If you have this one, cool. If you don't have this one, you'll use your normal hand fan. In this video, we're just doing just a normal, daily installation, like when there's no light, when you're somewhere that there is no light, or somewhere that you don't have your blow dryer with you. You don't have to just be like, okay, I will not install this here because I don't have this or that, or I don't have the glue, or I don't have time to install with glue. So you use this and you use this, and that's it. So guys, I'm using my front camera for this video so that I can be seeing what I'm doing. So first off, you're going to use this got to be wax to slide your hair backwards. You use any edge control of your choice. You don't need to use mine. You just slide your hair backwards. Make sure your hair is not getting on the way. Slide it backwards. You grab just like that. Just watch, you understand what I'm doing. Just put the hair on, because it's not all of you that know how to do it like that. Before you put your hair on, it's not come and look somehow. Okay, just like this. Here we go. So this is the hair without installation. This is how it looks. I actually make my wigs glueless because I don't have strength. So if I just tie this, it will look like my scalp. Can you see? So, but let me just install it for you guys. So what we're gonna do is spray this on the edges of your hair, just like so. Close your eyes. Oh, ooh. Okay, so you use your fan or normal hand fan, anyone. You don't need to use what I'm using. You just need an environment that your fan is on, or your AC is on. You can just play around once it gets started. Guys, I forgot to mention, you need this band. You actually need this band for placing it on so that it will stick to your head. This gets dry easily, so that's one thing I like about the butterfly shadow. It dries easily, so I love. So this one is tacky right now, so you spray the second layer. Grab second layer. Okay. Yeah. I think this is fine now. So you go ahead to put the front first. Don't go to the ear part though. Just put the front first, place it down. Can you see? Then you draw this part, grab, then you place it. Can you see? Is down. You grab, can you see? Then you now draw this other part, front, and you tack it. Yes, it's going to be lifting a bit, but you will use, that's where the band comes in. You use the band and then put it in place so that it's going to hold. Oh my god. So this is it. I'm going to tie it because the band is not, is loose on my head, so I'll tie it. I won't use the sticker at the back. So after tying it this way, you go ahead to style your head the way you want it to be. If you want it to be up, you style it. If you want it to be down, you go ahead and do anything you want to do. The hair is all yours. You paid for it. Mhm. So for me, I don't normally carry this up because I don't like it being up. So I'll just go ahead and do it this way, the way that I like. Yep. I don't know how it's looking at the back, but so yeah, you're just going to, stay, play around, do anything you want to do, give it time to dry. You can actually on your fan or you start doing your makeup. You grab as if you're a makeup girl. For me, I'm not doing makeup in this video. I don't have strength. But for you, you can just do your makeup if that's all you want to do. Maybe you want to go out. So yeah. So my babies, this is it. Ouch! Can you see? Can you see how flat this is? You see? Hmm? See how flat it is? See the side, looking very flat. So what we're going to do next is to use this spray. When you place it on your hand, just spray it on your hand a bit. Then you just put it those places. You know, so that it will not get mercy. You grab, and so that it will be stronger. As if you want to carry the hair for long, like you want to wear it for long. Then you do this. So guys, let's do our edges, then we go ahead to tie it again. My edges, don't mind me, I did not draw this very well, that's why it reached here. Inside, so I didn't go inside, so it's my fault because I'm not using mirror, I'm just using my phone camera for it, so you guys shouldn't blame me. I didn't see it. Mind this edge, it's an attachment edge, so it's messing up. This is just where I like my edges to be. Like I don't do those edges that comes in front. I'm not a fan of it. But if you're a fan of it, then go ahead to do yours. For me, it's just by the side. It fits me more. Everybody knows what fits them. Okay, so yeah. Hmm. That is it. So you get your spray again. Put it at those edges. They will lay flat. Already looking nice, but we're going to tie this to secure it, because if you leave it, it will lift, because you already applied another glue on it. So you just tie it, babies. Mm, tie it down. Yeah, make sure it's tight, but don't kill yourself. Mm, yeah, so this is it. You also play around with your, you know. So guys, let's untie for the second time and see what we have. Oh God, yeah. Okay, babies, see it, see it. Can you see? Looking nice, but we're going to blend it. You know, one thing about installing your hair is that when you get your hair, some of you will place the hair on your head looking white. Why will your hair be white? As a young girl, you don't know that you will tint your lace. Hmm? So we're going to like combine your foundation color and a darker shade of concealer, like a very darker shade, like those concealers you use for your contour and all that. You just blend it with your foundation color. So I already blended mine. This is it. It's just small, just a little. Then you use it to tint this part of the lace. Just tint it so that you look like your scalp. Don't do a dirty work. You will install a nice hair, but you leave it to be white. Why? Why will you do that? As a baby that you are. So that's what you go ahead to do. Do it neatly, oh. Don't go and spoil your hair. Can you see how the side is looking? See how the side is looking. So I've already done this before, like when I installed this hair before. So maybe that's why there's no much difference. Well, in your own, there'll be difference. So that's what you go ahead to do. This is my little eyeshadow brush that I'm using for it. So you need it as a girl. Be classy. So that is it. That's what you do. So if this side doesn't look good, you can just take a bit, put this line like so, and then this line too. Just make sure it's looking nice. Just do it, play around with it. You grab. So that is it. Make sure it's blended well. Can you see? This is how it looks. So guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. If this is something you like, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, share to your friends, your friends that that they don't know anything about installation. Please share to your friends, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell for more videos like this. Ciao guys.